Children, in the previous class, I taught you how to find the LCM of the given numbers by the method of division. Today, I shall teach you how to find the LCM of the given numbers by repeated division method. The difference between the two methods is that in the division method, what you will do in the division method and also in the repeated division method, all the steps are same. Only there is difference in the last step. In the division method, in the last step, all the numbers have no common factors except 1, and in the case of repeated division method, all the numbers quotient will be 1. That is, the quotient of all the numbers will be 1. Now let's do sum number 4a. See, you have to find the LCM of 32, 40 and 24. So first you write the sum. Now see, all the numbers are even. So divided by the smallest prime number 2. So 32 divided by 2, 16, 40 divided by 2, 20, 24 divided by 2, 12. Again 16 divided by 2, 8, 20 divided by 2, 10, 12 divided by 2, 6. Again 8 divided by 2, 4, 10 divided by 2, 5, 6 divided by 2, 3. Again 4 divided by 2, 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. 3 is also not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. Now see, in the case of division method, we can stop the sum here because in the last row, the numbers have no common factors. Now, but in the case of repeated division, you have to continue. Again, you have to divide it by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 5 is not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. 3 also the same. Next, divided by, after 2 is, prime number is coming, 3. So divide the numbers of this row by 3. So 1. 5 is not divisible by 3, so copy it down without dividing. 3 is divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Now again divided by 5. So 1, 1, 1. See, all the numbers have quotient 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to product of the prime factors, because 2, 3, 5 all are prime numbers. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's are there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 3's? 1. How many 5? 1. Now multiply them. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. So 32 into 3 5's are 15. So now multiply. Do it in the graph. 32 into 15. So 5 2's are 10, 5 2's are 15, 16, 2 1's are 2, 3 1's are 3. So 0, 8, 4. So answer is 480. So right answer 480. Now let's do sum number B. You have to find out the LCM of 8, 24 and 32. So first you write down the sum. Now you see, children, all the numbers are given numbers, so divide them by the smallest prime number 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 24 divided by 2, 12. 32 divided by 2, 16. Again divide them by 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 16 divided by 2, 8. Again divide them by 2. Because all are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, 4. Now again, because you know, the one thing I want to again repeat, children, because you have to see that at least one number should be divisible by the number of the divisor column. That means as 4 is divisible by 2, so I am again dividing this row by 2. So 1, 3 is not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. 4 is divisible by 2, write 2. Again divide the numbers of this row by 2. So 1, not divisible, copy it down. Now 2 divided by 2, 1. Next, divide it by 3. So 1, 1, 1. So LCM equal to, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into 3. So see children, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. So 32 into 3. So it will be equal to 96. 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9. So answer 96. Now children, let's do sum number C. So first you write the sum 36, 34, 24. Because now you are going to find out the LCM of 36, 34, 24 by repeated division method. So first you have written the sum. Now see all the numbers are even. So divide them by 2. 36 divided by 2, 18, 34 divided by 2, 17, 24 divided by 2, 12. Again, 2 even numbers are there, 18 and 12. So divide it by 2. Divide them by 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 17 is not divisible by 2. So copy it down without dividing. 12 divided by 2, 6. Again, 6 is divisible by 2. So divide the numbers of this row by 2. So 9 is not divisible by 2. Copy it down without dividing. 17 also the same. Now 6 divided by 2, 3. Again, now you see, none of them are divisible by 2. So then you try the next number 3. The prime number 3. So 9 divided by 3, 3. 17 again is not divisible by 3. So copy it down without dividing. 3 divided by 3, 1. Again divide it by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 17 is not divisible by 3. So copy it down without dividing. 1. Now divide it by 17. So 1, 1, 1. See all the numbers are quotient 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24 into 17 into 3 into 17, 51. Now do it in the rough, the multiplication. 1 4's are 4, 1 2's are 2, 5 4's are 20, 5 2's are 10, 11, 12. Now add 4, 2, 2, 1. So 1224. So answer 1224. Now let's do the next sum, number D. So you have to also again find the LCM of 36, 63, 80 by repeated division method. First you write the sum. Now see, first you try with the smallest prime number 2. Yes, 36 and 80 they are divisible by 2. So divide them. 36 divided by 2, 18. 63 is not divisible. So copy it down without dividing. 80 divided by 2, 40. Next, again divided by 2. Because 18 and 40 they are even number, they are divisible. So 18 divided by 2, 9. 63 divided is not divisible by 2. So copy it down without dividing. 40 divided by 2, 20. Again divided by 2, 9. is not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. 63 also same. Now 20 divided by 2, 10. Again 10 is divisible by 2, so divide the numbers of this row by 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, so copy it down without dividing. 63 also same. 10 divided by 2, 5. Now see children, none of them are divisible by 2, so you try with the next prime number 3. Yes, 9 divided by 3, 3. 63 divided by 3, 21. And 5 is not divisible by 3, so copy it down without dividing. Next children, you see, again divide them by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 21 divided by 3, 7. And 5 is not divisible by 3, so copy it down without dividing. Now again, none of them are divisible by 3, so you try the next prime number 5. Yes, 5 is divisible by 5, so 1. 7 is not divisible by 5, so copy it down without dividing. 5 divided by 5, 1. Next, divided by 7, 1. 7 divided by 7, 1. Here also 1. Now you see all the numbers have the quotient 1. So the LCM is equal to, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then how many 3's? 2 3's are there. Then 5 into 7. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 3's are 48. Now 48 into 15 into 7. So equal to, multiply it. 48 into 15, 8 5's are 40, carrying 4, 5 4's are 20, plus 4, 24, cross 1 8's are 8, 1 4's are 4, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 4, 5 6, 7, again multiply it by 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 2's are 14, 7 7's are 49, 50. So 5040. So answer 5040. That's all for today, children. Thank you. Children, take your homework.